Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to do simple marketing plan using Sidekick. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First click on Sidekick. Here we can enter how to do simple marketing in Shopify. So it is processing. So here we can see the email and SMS. Target the right customer with segments, discounts and sales, SEO, etc. So we can do, let's start. Go to the discount, then create discount. We can set the code. Here we can give 10 percentage. So eligibility all customer, no minimum requirement, limited to one person. Then we can set the expiry date. That's it. Click on save. Discount attract customer to buy the things easily. So then we can copy the discount code and share it, send to friends or post on WhatsApp or Instagram, etc. Here we can click on it and we can share to the customers. So next we can use the customer data. So that go to the customer. Here click on customer. Here we can see the customer mail ID so that we can copy that and send to the mail, give a message like, hi, you saved 10 for discount, so that the customer will attract more. Exciting customers are more likely to buy. So next we can check the analytics. So go to analytics. Here we can check how many customers are reached and how many buy. Here you can see only 4 customer is listed our store. So we have to improve it. So we can improve based on the result. If no sales, try better discount or better product images. So we can improve that continuously by changing SEO, etc. So marketing means telling people about your product and giving them a reason to buy. So this is how you can do simple marketing using Sidekick. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.